In order to let our customers understand the performance of HGC reverse osmosis membrane for brackish water, we arrange this measurement by the video. Firstly, we put the RL4040 model membrane of HGC into the membrane housing. Remember to flush the end of the membrane after putting it in. Next, we open the flushing valve to wash the membrane as a whole. Turn on the flushing high-pressure water pump and adjust the water pressure to the standard of 150 psi. Now we can see the pH value of the raw water, and the flow rate starts to increase. As the water pressure rises. After finishing membrane washing, then open the valve of solution tank and the high-pressure water pump for the solution. Then close the flushing valve and flushing high-pressure water pump. The TDS of raw water we plan to test is about 1,500 ppm. And test the raw water value is 2,004 ppm, which is higher than our planned. In order to achieve this value, we manually add sodium chloride to the raw water. Therefore, open the tap water valve to dilute the solution. Test the TDS again. The value is 1,523 ppm. That is what we need. Let's look at the TDS value of pure water is 9.93 ppm. To be more precise, we look at the TDS value of the solution again, which is 1,428 ppm. As a result, the thought rejection rate is 99.3%.